Here we go, guys. This is the first ever POV on Dragekongen. I know it's dark now, but it's gonna be better when we come out. Let's see if I can hold up my arm, or if I'm gonna have to hold on. We'll see. Sorry for the shakiness, but it's gonna be fun. It's not gonna shake when we ride, I promise.
That's a great exercise.
Yeah, it is. It's a really good exercise. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This is my roller coaster number 297.
Very close.
On our way to 300, which is gonna be in Piraten or Juvelen. I haven't decided yet, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. Yo! She was screaming if we were ready. And Danny, here we go! Ah, great start! Really good start. Now we're gonna go outside so you can see what's happening, guys. Like that start.
Oh my god, that's
Great. Let's see if we are gonna drop our hats or not. There's a chance. Yeah, but I only have one hand. Anyway, it's Dragekongen. It really does make sense.
yeah.
This is awesome. That was really good. Open your seatbelt. Okay guys, that was a POV of Dragekongen here at Djurs Sommerland. And there will be many more. Don't miss the full vlog, by the way, if you're only watching the POV.